Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Janine. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about एक दीवाने की दीवानियत OTT release date, when and where to watch Harshvardhan, Rain and Sonam Bajwa's romantic drama. Harshvardhan, Rain and Sonam Bajwa's romantic drama Ik Deewane Ki Divaniyat is set for its OTT release. Here's when and where you can watch the film online. Written by Skina Kokiwala, entertainment journalist, published on 16 December 2025. Harshvardhan Rain and Sonam Bajwa's romantic drama Ik Deewane Ki Divaniyat is all set to make its digital debut after a successful theatrical run. The film, which released in cinemas during the Diwali weekend earlier this year, will start streaming on Netflix from 16 December 2025. Viewers who missed it in theaters can now watch the film from the comfort of their homes. Despite opening to mixed reviews from audiences and critics, Ik Deewane Ki Divaniyat performed well at the box office. It went on to become the 12th highest grossing Hindi film of 2025, surprising many given its intense subject matter. This strong theatrical response has added to the buzz around its upcoming OTT release. Directed by Milab Zaveri, the film explores the darker side of love, focusing on obsession, possessiveness, heartbreak, and emotional trauma. The story struck a chord with viewers who enjoy intense romantic dramas with layered characters, helping the film maintain steady footfalls during its run. Here's when and where to watch Ik Deewane Ki Divaniyat on OTT. Ik Deewane Ki Divaniyat will begin streaming exclusively on Netflix from 16 December 2025. The OTT release is expected to give the film a wider reach, especially among viewers who prefer watching romantic dramas on streaming platforms. With Netflix's global audience, the film is likely to find new viewers beyond its theatrical audience. The film stars Harshvardhan Rain as Vikramaditya Bonsale and Sonu Bajwa as Ada Randhawa. Vikramaditya is portrayed as a powerful and influential politician, while Ada is a popular actor. The story follows how Vikramaditya's fixation on Ada turns dangerous after she rejects him, leading to a disturbing journey driven by ego, privilege, and the need for control. Written by Mushtaq Sheikh and Milad Savory, Ik Divane Ki Diwani looks at love through a harsh lens, showing how obsession can become destructive. The narrative highlights issues like toxic masculinity, celebrity harassment, and emotional manipulation without glorifying them. Harshvardhan Rain delivers an intense performance as Vikramaditya Bonsale, while Sonam Bajwa brings strength and vulnerability to the role of Ada Randhawa. The supporting cast includes Rajesh Khera as Raheja, Sachin Khedkar as Ganpatrao Bonsale, Shad Randhawa as Sanjay and Anand Narayan Mahadevan as Mr. Randhawa. The film is produced by Anshul Rajendra Garaj and Dinesh Jain under the banner of Desi Movies Factory. Nigam Boomsen handles the cinematography while the music is composed by John Stewart Iduri with additional contribution from Aryan Mehdi. Also rate 5 in the OTT releases of the week. Ayushmann Khurrana and Rashmika Mandanna's Thama to Madhuri Dixit, Mrs. Dashpande. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time.